What's the difference between learning that feeds the ego and learning that creates relaxation, inner coherence? Or maybe it's about, after learning, being able to quiet the mind. For instance, when you're sleeping, this is obviously later on during the day, but one of the aspects of sleeping is that you're consolidating what you've learned throughout the day, emotionally, and the memories. And so anyway, your model of seeing the world is simplified during sleep. It kind of gets rid of unnecessary things, and you process things a bit better. So I don't know, the question of is, when should the quieting happen, or is there a learning that's that feeds the ego versus one that doesn't? I don't know if that's something you're willing to answer right now. We can leave it as it is as a question.
When does the learning feed the ego?
Maybe have an experience, because I'm a teacher as well in a school, and
Okay, cool.
and I'm teaching in a waldorf steiner school, and in there they really rely on this sleeping to learn. They know very well that when I bring something in the classroom, I would not expect they understand until the next day, because part of the learning is happening while they sleep. Meaning the concepts they think, and as you said very well, they go into the inner thinking, and it's not rational, and the concepts somehow explode the next day. And it really happens. I do physics in teaching. I go do the experiment. I don't ask questions yet, and the next day they come with the answer, because they have slept on the experience, and the concepts are being created by them, by their own minds, while they are asleep. And it's very interesting when you put the question, because in reality that happens. This pedagogy is being in there for 100 years, and it's being given a very good results in the learning process of students. Meaning, probably in general, it happens to us as adults as well, when we go through our busy lives and we learn. You may be overburdened sometimes as we think we are learning, and then we have to slip through it.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic.
It's like the mind's locked it in, memorized it through, stored the information through